Hello everyone, welcome to Rashel's classroom. Today we are solve a nice viral maths Olympiad question. This question is 8 to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 130. X is equal to what? How to solve this interesting maths Olympiad question. So solution, I solve this question easy method. Our math solution, here is 8 to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 130. This is our question. I solve this question step by step. Now this 8, you can easily 8, it will be 2 times 2, it will be 2 to the power 3. I mean 8, it will be 2 to the power 3. So I can easily this 8, it will be 2 to the power 3 and whole to the power this x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 130. Now, at this moment, according to exponential law, we know that a to the power n and whole to the power m, it will be a to the power m and whole to the power n. I just use these three inside the bracket. So you can see this expression, it will be 2 to the power x, bracket, power is these three. I just change the place, this exponent. And here, 2 to the power x is equal to 130. Now, you can easily, this is 2 to the power x, this is 2 to the power x. So both are same. So let y is equal to 2 to the power x. So we are let here y is equal to 2 to the power x. So I put this value here. So it will be y to the power 3 plus y is equal to 130. So we'll find out here's a nice cubic equation. This expression, it will be y to the power 3 plus y, and if I move on this 130 on this side, it will be negative 130 is equal to 0. Now you can see here y to the power 3 plus y minus 130, it will be 125 plus 5 is equal to 0. 125 plus 5, it will be 130. Then you can see this 125, it will be 5 to the power 3. So this expression, it will be y to the power 3, then here plus y minus 125 plus minus, it will be minus 5 is equal to 0. Then this expression, it will be y to the power 3 minus, then 125, you can see it will be 5 to the power 3 plus, and then here y and this negative 5 is equal to 0. Now you can see it will be a cube minus v cube. So a cube minus v cube is equal to what? So you know that a cube minus v cube, it will be a minus b times a square plus ab plus v square. So according to this formula, I can easily y cube minus 5 cube, it will be y minus 5 times a square, I mean y square plus ab, 5 times y, it will be 5y, then v square, I mean 5 square, it will be 25, and here y minus 5 is equal to 0. This y minus 5 I take here. Then you can easily here y minus 5 is common. So if I take here is y minus 5, then you can easily this expression, it will be this divide this, it will be y square plus 5y plus 25, then this divide this, it will be positive 1 is equal to 0. Now we'll find out here is two cases. Our first case, it will be y minus 5, and our other case, it will be y square plus 5y, and 25 plus 1, it will be 26 is equal to 0. Then we'll find out here is two cases. Our first case, y minus 5 is equal to 0, and other case we'll find out here is y square plus 5y plus 26 is equal to 0. Now at this point, if I find out here is delta, it will be b square minus 4ac, then you can see here a, it will be 1, v, it will be 5, and c, it will be 26. Now you can see this value, it will be v square, I mean 5 square minus 4ac, a is 1, c is 26, then it will be 25 minus 4 times 26, it will be 104. Then 104 minus 25, it will be minus 79. So you can see easily it is less than 0, but delta is less than 0. So we are finding out here is complex number, complex solution. Here is no real solution. So you can see easily here no real solution. Our need real solution. So we are rejected this math value, rejected this value. Okay, now here y minus 5 is equal to 0. So at this moment you can see here y is equal to 5, but recall y, it will be 2 to the power x. We'll let first of all y is equal to 2 to the power x. So this y, it will be 2 to the power x is equal to 5. Then if I use both sides natural log, so log 2 to the power x is equal to log 5. Now you can see this x move on in front according to logarithm formula. So I can see this x here, and here is log 2 is equal to log 5. Then if I divide both sides by log 2, we are find out here is x, it will be log 5 over log 2. Then you can see this expression here, this x, it will be log 5 base 2. This is our final answer in this maths Olympiad question, in this maths problem. So here x, it will be log 5 base 2. This is the value of x in this exponential maths problem. Let's check out our question. It will be 8 to the power x plus 2 to the power x is equal to 130. This is our question. Now at this moment, this 8, I take this 8, it will be 2 to the power 3. And here is x. So this 2 to the power 3, it will be 8. But this x, it will be log 5 base 2. And here 2 to the power log 5 base 2. Then you can see here, it will be 2 to the power log 5 to the power 3. I just move on this 3 here, exponent, and base is 2 plus log 5 2 to the power log 5 base 2. Now at this moment you can see here this 2 to the power log 2 is cancelled. We'll find out here is 5 to the power 3. So it will be 5 to the power 3 plus, and this it will be 5, this it will be 5 according to logarithm law. Now here 5 to the power 3, it will be 125, and this 5, so we can say easily 125 plus 5, it will be 130. So left hand side and right hand side both is equal. So you can see easily here x is equal to log 5 base 2. This is our final answer in this viral maths Olympiad question. Thank you all. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel for others interesting video. Goodbye. Take care.